Fatima is giving the cakes. Harleen's cakes are being given to everybody. Okay? Yeah. Okay. बाद में आप लीजिए. Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Come inside.
Okay.
अरे 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 इतना गुस्सा क्यों
हाँ तो आओ पण केक खावी होय.
Okay.
आप देखो केक भेजा है हरलीन ने आपके लिए.
Okay. Okay. Right. Here we are at the ashram. We have got Bhavna, Pratima, Anuradha, and Fanreet, and we've just finished the Reiki healing. It was quite an experience, so we will share with you. Yeah, Bhavna, what would you like to say?
Yes, I felt everyone needs, I think, emotional and physical healing. They basically crown chakra and root chakra took a lot of healing. Full head. Also, they need a lot of Reiki healing, even emotional. They are totally broken and
Yes.
can't speak even.
Yes.
So even some of them heart chakra is took lot of healing.
Yeah.
Root chakra, heart chakra, and also
Yeah.
crown chakra, and full head also.
Yeah, Pratima, anything different you noticed from what Bhavna said?
They remember us.
Oh, okay.
The wheelchair uncle, I think his name is Danjiva.
Yeah.
He said you have come after a long time and you have put on weight. And I have lost weight and I've lost my teeth. You are still having the teeth. And they need a lot of healing actually. And they need
They
a
do.
lot of love and affection.
Yeah. Yeah. Anuradha?
The same as Bhavna, their crown chakra, root chakra, and the whole head actually took lots of healing.
Yes.
And they are missing lots of love and lots of attention and affections. So that is the only thing we can come and give them. Otherwise, they have good food and place
Yeah.
to stay.
Yeah.
Yes.
So these are the things missing. So
Yeah.
it was a wonderful experience coming here and giving them Reiki. They need it.
Yeah. Fanreet? Yeah, you were saying, yeah?
It was really beautiful to come here and do
Louder,
Seva.
louder.
I was very overwhelmed when I first
Yes.
started doing the Reiki. You know, I could just feel that the amount of love that was actually needed.
Yeah.
Oh, the heart chakras took a lot of Reiki and the root chakras especially, you know. So all of these were taking a lot of Reiki.
Yeah.
But as we gave them Reiki also, you could feel that they were starting to relax.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, there was.
You noticed that, huh?
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. So the main thing is also just to come and spend time with them, whoever would like to.
Yeah.
It's not something that will change for them over one day,
Yeah.
but because they've been in this state for so long,
Yeah.
continuously coming to see them, whenever whoever would like to come to do any
Yeah.
kind of seva, just to come and sit with them, and I think that would really help. But it will take time.
Yeah. It will take time, and I don't think we are not actually here to change too much for them, but just make them feel a little bit that somebody cares. I think that's what it is. Yeah. Okay. So I can't take out a picture of myself. That's one thing, but I'd just like to add that maybe you can just focus on me now. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Can you see that? Yeah.
Yes, I can.
Yeah. So for me, I gave Reiki to I think about 3 people, and one of them was pretty aggressive, in the sense that when I asked him his name, he flashed out at me and everything, and somebody was accusing me of taking a bag or something like that. So obviously mentally they are very disturbed. They're not. They need help, I would say. So I'm suggesting that I took down their names and I'm going to put it as one of the homes that we will send Reiki to every week, and we will get the updates from them. Is that okay?
Yes.
Yeah. And I'm hoping that we can come a little more often, whenever we can, to give them Reiki. They have lots of food. They have lots of other things. But I think this healing touch will make them feel very well.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Is there anything else anybody would like to add? No. Yeah, you can just stop. Thank you. We forgot to add. Fanreet, please go ahead.
So while I was also doing the Reiki, I actually automatically also started doing Ho'oponopono.
Okay.
And even
Chai
while
banao
while the healing was ongoing, and when it was done, actually you could feel like my higher self also just bowing down to do the Atma Namaskar to their higher self, and they actually were so happy to receive it.
Yeah. Okay.
Even
Anuradha?
Ho'oponopono came automatically to me, and I did Ho'oponopono to them, and I did Ho'oponopono for everybody in their life.
Oh, very good. Yeah.
So I think it is a spontaneous thing for us. Ho'oponopono is like part of our life.
Yes,
It comes
yes, yeah.
automatically. Thank you.
Yeah. Anybody else? Okay.
Yeah, and I thought that time
Slowly become
that
dark.
we should. I thought that time we should put all of them into one pillar of light.
Okay.
One inside
Yeah.
the pillar.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
this is a bright.
Yeah, we should do that and set up the highest sacred space in this whole place. Yeah.
That's what I thought.
And
Okay,
I
thank
did
you.
highest secret space. In the beginning, when I was starting the healing, I put in the room, put in the whole house area and whole compound.
Perfect.
And I activated it for next 60 days.
Perfect. Thank you. Thank you, Anuradha. Yeah, so I think we should do this for all the homes, yeah? Activate and all, yeah.